What's up, guys? So this morning we are headed to COTA to Super Lap Battle. I'm gonna go watch some racing around COTA, do some drifting, and probably do some kart racing against Jonathan and Jordan. So we are headed there now. Catch up with you in a minute. Little dual caliper action. 1 second. This thing is nasty. I love the brake setup. These are very... It'd be like that sometimes.
We got a new coming your way, bro. I wanted to go faster. I'm looking for JC.
It was dope. I saw him. He was good.
All right, guys, we made it home. I'm exhausted. Nikki's exhausted. She's in the shower. Had dinner already put on, got rice going. I made some ribs, beef ribs, in the crock pot, so we'll see how they came out. But yeah, it was a great day. Everybody got to ride along, got to experience a little bit of like what we love about cars and you know why we do what we do. So y'all be sure to subscribe, like. There will be more parts in for the S4 later this, I think next week. And so we'll be putting those on and doing more work on that. And then we can finally get some like 0 to 60, some real actually ripping around videos. So y'all look forward to that. All right, we'll catch y'all next time.